What's going on, people? Welcome to GFX Kapture. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit and customize After Effects templates. For this video, I've picked up a opener template from Envato Elements and we will edit and customize this. Envato Elements is a place where you can get unlimited stock videos, templates, photos, and much more for After Effects and Premiere Pro. And what's more is that you'll get a license to use the content as well. Link is in the description below if you want to get a discount on your subscription. So let's start. The template I'm going to use is called Kitchen TV Show by Fixed Designs. Once you've downloaded the file, unzip it in your desired location on your PC or Mac, then launch After Effects, then go to File, Open Project, and locate your project file. In this case, it's going to be TV Kitchen Show. If you get this pop-up message to say it will be converted from version 10.0, then just click OK. Now you may not have the fonts downloaded in your PC, but that's okay, we can use any other fonts that we like. Click OK. Now I'm going to be using the main composition here on the left hand side. If you see here, you have the renderer 1280 by 720 or renderer full HD 1920 by 1080, but I'm going to just use the main composition here. Now when you go into main composition, you will see some more compositions in here and a few video files as well. Okay, so before we start, I'm just gonna move the playhead just to see what our composition actually looks like. Okay, so this is all we are going to be changing and editing to how we want it. So the first thing is simply go to scene 1. And in here, again, if you move the playhead, this is how the scene 1 is it actually looks like. So we're gonna change the footage. Now, before I change any footage, it will be actually good if I download all my images and video files that I'm gonna replace this template with. That will be a good way to do it. So the way you do it is simply click here, select all the files that you want to download into your project and click import. Okay, so all of them are now in here. Just to be organized, I'm going to drag and drop them into the replace footage folder here. Now what I'm going to do is go into my footage and there you see the template photo. Okay, now I'm going to just change it, and for example for this one I'm just going to bring the palm trees image here, and you can either delete it or you can make it invisible, but it doesn't really matter anyway because our photo is on top of it, so that becomes invisible. If you need to scale it down, press S and then you can scale it down. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that and close this one, go back to scene 1, and you can change the color as well. For example, over here inside the effects you can change all the colors, all the gradients, etc, etc, but I'm going to leave it by default for now. And you can also change the text. There is a text here as well, so I'm going to go in and I'm going to say beach. Okay, close this one, and now this is our, there you go. Okay, simple, very straightforward. It is very easy to edit. All the hard work has already been done for you. You just need to bring your images, change the text, and there you have it. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it at that, and that is our scene 1 done. Okay, the same way we're going to do scene number 2. Go into footage and I'm going to bring the tulips here. Okay, again I'm going to scale it down. Oops, there you go. And I'm going to change the text as well. Okay, close this one, go to scene number 3. Again in the footage I'm gonna bring my third image here, which is the iconic London bus, and I'm gonna scale it down. Okay, you can also delete this one, it doesn't actually make any difference. And I'm gonna go to text and I'm gonna say, okay, you can also change the font of this text as well. I'm just gonna quickly change it just for the sake of it. Why not, hey, why not? There we go, and that is all done, and that is our scene 3 done. Oops, if it's too low, what you can do is go back to your text and go to click on P position and change the Y position. You can also change the X position if you need to. Simple. Okay, and there you have it, it's already done. We're going to go to scene number 4. There are a few different images that they have actually put together, which is absolutely fine. What we're going to do is start from here, from the footage, which is again our photo, and I'm just going to go into this picture here and delete this one, scale this one down to see everything, or almost. There you go. Okay, and then you can change for each of the footage. There is a text as well. You can change this as well. I'm just going to say New York, and I'm also going to then go into footage number 5, and oops, I've done this already, so I'm just going to go in here and scale it down. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing for the rest of them. So I'm going to fast forward the video because I don't really want you to get bored, okay? Okay, so that's scene 4 done. Let's go to scene number 5, and we can bring the same images or other images. For this illustration purposes, I'm just going to use the same images, but of course you can bring your own, whatever you like. Scale it down. That would be fine. And then again, we can change the text exactly the same way. Okay, this is very, very easy. And again, I'm just gonna fast forward the video because this is gonna be repeating the same exercise. So just give me 1 second while I complete this, and then we can see the final result. Okay, and this is it. This is our composition. So what we're gonna do is go back to our main comp and try to play it. Let me just make it like this so that we can see it properly and play. Okay, so this is it. This is all. It is, as I said, it's very, very easy. The hard work has already been done for you in these templates, so you just need to replace your images, replace your text. Maybe you can change the color scheme if you want to, but this is all it. I hope it was useful for you. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.